Matiang'i says he will finance his campaign through contribution from Kenyans. Former Interior Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i has said that he plans to finance his political campaign through contribution from ordinary Kenyans. Speaking during a public engagement, Matiang'i said he does not want to depend on a few rich individuals or foreign interests to fund his campaign. Instead, he wants support to come directly from the people. According to Matiang'i, funding a campaign using public contributions is a way of staying honest and accountable. He said when leaders depend on wealthy donors, they may be forced to return favor after election. This, he explained, can lead to corruption and poor leadership. By relying on a small contributions from many Kenyans, Matiang'i believes he will remain independent and focused on serving the nation. EBK Online Updates News. Subscribe.